does what it does.
What did you do?
Gotta go.
What
It's early in the morning.
It's so early in the morning.
It's early.
My first time ever behind the walls, and on a tour of the facility, I just saw something that stopped me in my tracks. It was a young man raising a rescue dog inside of his cell.
I wonder what they do here. Like,
I know that healing is not rocket science. Healing means you show up, not as some white savior or talking down to you. Show up, you.
I was like, damn. You are packing for vacation. So I'm getting ready to go back to LA. I'm a little scared. Apparently it's supposed to be worse tomorrow, or the wind is supposed to be worse. And I'm just like, yo, I just finished my audition and I'll be heading back. Scared. I'm actually scared. Heading to Joshua Tree Park, I guess. It's got this cute little Airbnb. I'll show you guys a tour. Okay. I'm gonna explore the park. He didn't even like open the door for me. This is gonna have to be the conclusion of the vlog because I just got to, so I was in La Jolla. I drove here to come pick up my laptop from my cousin's house. And then I was like, let me go do a little, let me go do a little staycation, get a little dinner, get a little din-din. And then I was like, let me book a little hotel by the sea, a little thing by the shore. Book this hotel. All the pictures are by the sea, all this stuff. I get to the hotel, they're like, oh, we don't have anything near by the sea. I was like, what do you mean? Why do you have all the pictures? They're like, oh, because you booked it through hotel tonight. And I was like, yeah. Oh, we don't have anything available for that. I was like, so where am I at? Oh, you're gonna go to the old building. Tell me why they gave me the hotel from the 1950s. And I was like, I just don't have time right now to even be thinking about this. And like, look at the bathroom. I don't. Mind you, while I was doing all these arguments, trying to fucking get upgraded to a better room, I fucking have a stomach bug. I've never had a stomach bug before. The only reason why I knew it was a stomach bug because it came quick. It felt like a rush of like heat in my body. Then my stomach started going. And I knew it was done after that. I knew I was done after that. I knew I was clocked the fuck out. And I said, you know what? Give me the room that you got. Give me the crazy ass room that you got. And I'm just gonna have to dispute it with Amex tomorrow. Because I don't have time. Babe, I don't have time. My stomach is rushing through shit right now. The restaurant that I went to gave me stomach poisoning because why? I ate raw fish. Y'all pray for me, please. Pray for me, please, because this vlog is kind of too crazy to even end it this way. I was trying to have like a little, you know, girly, like little staycation. Tomorrow I'm going to wake up by the sea, you know, go do a little walk on the beach, which I'm still gonna. But I was like, right now, this is just too chaotic. This is too chaotic. Okay. Just finished breakfast. Now walking to my hotel to pack up and leave because it's 10:30 and I gotta get out of here by 11. But y'all, TikTok is back. This is the room they gave me. It looks like a time capsule. Like, why did they put me in this like 1950s room? I like the little bedroom though, it was cute. So now I'm just gonna pack up, get my things, and go. That's all I brought with me. Yeah, I'm so ready to go home. But yeah, guys, TikTok is back. TikTok is back for the queens. I'm so happy. I was like, they're not about to shut that down. Like, y'all know how they play with us. But yeah, whew, I'm ready to get out of La Jolla. I came to snatch my computer. Got it, I'm done. I'm gonna go home,